From Mind Over Munch, please welcome author and renowned recipe developer, Alicia Shake. So, Alicia, you tell us your favorite recipe and I'll try not to get hungry. Ready, go.
Lately, it's been my pumpkin oatmeal cookies.
I lose. I already lost. There are a lot of diets. Keto, paleo, Whole30, are any of them sustainable?
I like to think of these diets more as tools than long-term sustainable practices. Whole30, for instance, it's intended to be done for 30 days. You get the sugar out of your body, you improve your relationship with food, and then after that, you take it and make it your own. You don't do it forever.
I see. I hear a lot of foods are either high or low on the glycemic index, but what is the glycemic index?
So it's a scale that measures how quickly a food is going to affect your blood sugar. A watermelon, for instance, would be 70 to 80 on the scale, whereas an apple would be 30. So it's going to affect your blood sugar less.
I see. So what would you say to the person who doesn't believe that they have the willpower to cut back on sugar?
I would say you and me both. It's not about willpower. It's science. Physiologically, we crave what we eat. So the only way to stop craving sugar is to stop eating it.
But like how long, time is that going to take?
It'll take a few days. A few days to a few weeks, depending on how much sugar you eat now. And it's kind of a terrible period. But at the end of it, your body won't feel like you need it anymore.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite reduced sugar dessert?
I'm a cookie girl, so I told you those pumpkin oatmeal cookies are my favorite lately. But the beauty of organic stevia is you can sub it into your favorite dessert recipes without compromising the integrity.
God, genius.
I know.
This is really hard.
I know.
All right. Woo. What's more important to watch out for on food labels, calories or sugar?
Sugar. Ingredients matter more than calories, and sugar's an ingredient.
Hungry for more? Subscribe below.